Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Life Science Grade 10 Paper 2. Give the correct biological term for each of the following statements. Question: a blood vessel that supplies the heart tissues with oxygen and glucose. The correct answer is coronary artery. The coronary arteries are the blood vessels that branch off the aorta and wrap around the heart, delivering oxygen-rich blood directly to the heart muscle itself. Question: about 250 million years ago, all continents were joined to one large continent known as. The correct answer is Pangaea. Pangaea was the supercontinent that existed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras, before it began to break apart into the continents we know today. Question: the height of the land above the sea level. The correct answer is altitude. Altitude is the vertical distance of a point in the atmosphere or on the Earth's surface above mean sea level. Question: part of the Earth where living organisms occur and is a global sum of ecosystems. The correct answer is biosphere. The biosphere is the global ecological system integrating all living beings and their relationships, including their interaction with the lithosphere, land, hydrosphere, water, and atmosphere, air. Question: the position of an area in relation to the Sun. The correct answer is aspect. In ecology and geography, aspect refers to the direction a slope faces, e.g., north-facing or south-facing, which influences the amount of sunlight it receives and affects local climate and vegetation. Question: a group of food chains arranged to show how feeding of organisms is connected. The correct answer is food web. A food web is a complex network of interconnected food chains that more accurately represents the feeding relationships within an ecosystem, showing how energy and nutrients move from one organism to another. Question: the process of finding out the ages of rocks and fossils using radioactive elements. The correct answer is radiometric dating. Radiometric dating is a technique used to date materials such as rocks or carbon, by measuring the presence of a short-life radioactive element, or the ratio of a long-life radioactive element to its decay product. Question: the remains or trace of an organism that lived a long time ago, and has been preserved in rock. The correct answer is fossil. Fossils are the preserved evidence of ancient life, which can include bones, shells, imprints, or even traces like footprints. They are crucial for understanding evolution and past environments. Question: a group of organisms that share common characteristics for the environment they exist in and are able to interbreed. The correct answer is species. A species is the most basic unit of biological classification. The key defining characteristic is that members of the same species can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Question: the kingdom used in classification that consists of unicellular prokaryotes. The correct answer is Monera. The kingdom Monera, also commonly referred to as prokaryote, includes all prokaryotic organisms, which are unicellular and lack a membrane-bound nucleus. This kingdom includes bacteria. Question: a series of linked food chains in an ecosystem. The correct answer is food web. A food web is a more realistic model than a single food chain, because it shows how multiple food chains are interconnected within an ecosystem, illustrating the complex feeding relationships. Question: living organisms that produce their own food. The correct answer is autotrophs, or producers. Autotrophs, also known as producers, can synthesize their own food from inorganic substances using light, photosynthesis, or chemical energy, chemosynthesis. They form the base of every food chain. Question: the upper chambers of the heart. The correct answer is atria, singular, atrium. The human heart has 4 chambers. The 2 upper, smaller chambers are the atria. Their main function is to receive blood returning to the heart from the body and the lungs. Question: the study of the interactions between different living organisms and their environment. The correct answer is ecology. Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relationships between living organisms, including humans, and their physical environment. It seeks to understand the vital connections between plants, animals, and the world around them.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.